Hazrat Ubaid bin Jurej narrates that he said to Hazrat Abdullah bin Umar radiyallahu anhu, I have seen you doing such four things as I have not seen any of your companion doing. He said, O Jurej, what are they? He said, I have seen you kissing none except the two Yemenite pillars while making circuit around the Kaaba. And I have seen you wearing shoes of hairless leather and dyeing the clothes in saffron. And I saw that while in Makkah Mukarramah, the people took off the ihram on the sight of the moon, but you did not remove the ihram until the day of Tarweeh. Hazrat Abdullah bin Umar radiyallahu anhu thereupon said to him, As for the pillars, I did not see the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam touching the pillars other than the two Yemenite pillars. As for shoes without hair, I saw Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam wearing such shoes as had no hair, and he sallallahu alaihi wasallam would perform ablution even wearing them. So I also like to wear them. As for yellow color, I saw Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam dyeing in this color. So I also love to dye in this color. As for taking off the ihram, I did not see Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam taking it off until his mount would proceed. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 5851.